Hey guys, welcome back to Careers 360. Are you done with your IELTS exam result? I know, you all are now curious to know your IELTS score. Well, in today's video, we will be discussing how to check your IELTS exam result. Firstly, there are two ways to check your IELTS result. Number one is through test takers portal and number two is through IDP IELTS official website. No matter what type of IELTS test is attempted, it doesn't take more than 2 weeks to receive your IELTS test score. The availability of score for different tests is as follows. First option is through test takers portal. Once the results are out, the candidates will be informed via registered email to check their results. Step 1. Kindly check the link received via email which redirects to your own test takers account. Enter your email ID and password. Check your IELTS result. Second option is through IELTS IDP official website. Visit the official website ielts.idp.com. Click on Get My Result. A new page will open on the screen. Now click on Check Your Result. Fill the details like your name, passport ID and date of birth. Click on Get Results button. The results will be displayed on the screen. These IELTS results will be available online for 28 days. So I hope the information provided in this video meets your requirement. Any suggestions or any valuable feedback, just leave it in the comment section below. For more information related to IELTS test score, check the description box below. For more such informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.